Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking. Okay. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and are currently working in the other fields of finance. Okay. So in this short video, I'm going to talk about what are the skill sets which is required to become an investment banker. Then what are the prerequisites for any investment banking job. Okay, so then I will take you through the entire interview process, like what are the stages which is involved in the interview process. And finally, I'm going to review a investment banking course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I'm going to talk about what are the skill set which is required to become an investment banker. So first thing is basically about your conceptual knowledge. You should have a good understanding of basics of finance. You should understand the financial system and financial market. Then the second point is basically about your understanding of the financial statement. You should be able to understand the three financial statement of a company, like the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, and how these statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should know about like how to work on different kind of financial models, like the DCF, LBO, and the merger and an acquisition model. Okay, so then the next point is basically about your understanding of the marketing collaterals. So when you work on any investment banking deal, so you have to prepare some marketing collateral or the marketing materials. Okay, so these are like the pitch deck, CIM, teaser, or the management presentation. So you should have a good understanding of all these documents and what is the purpose of preparing each of these documents. Okay, so then coming to the next point, which is basically about your Excel proficiency. You should be very well versed with like how to work on Excel. Okay, so you should know how to work on VLOOKUP, index match, pivot table, data tools, and macros. Okay, so then coming to the presentation skills. So when you will be working on any particular deal, okay, so you'll have to basically present your findings to like a different kind of counterparties. Either it will be to your senior investment banking team or to your client, or maybe to the investors or the other counterparties. Okay, so your presentation skills are also be important. Okay, so then coming to the communication skills. So communication skills is also very much important because you'll have to deal with like different kind of counterparties on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so these are the skill set which is required to become an investment banker. So now I'm coming to like what are the prerequisites for any investment banking job. So what are the things that they basically look into you before they basically proceed with the interview process. Okay, so the first thing is basically about your academic background, like what kind of college or the university that you're coming from, then how much you have scored in your post graduation or the recently completed post graduation. Okay, so then coming to the next thing, basically about, do you have the desired skill set for this particular investment banking job opportunity, like basics to advanced Excel skills, presentation skills, financial analysis skills, and the problem solving skills. So in case you meet both of these parameters, so then you'll be selected for any interview process. Okay, so let's assume that like you have basically met both of these parameters and you have been shortlisted for the interview process. So for the interview process, primarily there are three stages. The first stage is basically about your case study. You'll have to work on, so they basically can ask you to work on industry overview, financial analysis, or maybe on Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear your case study, so then you'll be moving toward the technicals round, wherein they can ask you a few questions about the basics of finance, like the accounting or ratio related questions can be asked. Then they can ask you specific questions to the like the investment banking, like what is WACC, what is beta, what is DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and the equity value. Okay, so let's assume you have cleared the case study round and the technical round, so then you'll be moving towards the final round of the HR. Okay, so wherein they will basically check your attitude and your behavioral aspects, and they will also be checking your soft skills, such as like how you communicate with the HR and how much confident you are. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, then you'll be selected for any investment banking opportunity. Okay, this is the entire interview process that I've just taken you through. So now I'm going to review a investment banking course based on certain parameters. Okay, now I'm going to review an investment banking course offered by NSE. Okay, so the course name is Certificate in Investment Banking. Okay, so this course comes with a total duration of 95 plus hours. So you'll be getting certification validity for the lifetime. And course type, so you're going to attend this course in the online or the online mode. So this is going to be like a recorded as well as some instructor-led classes that you're going to attend in this course. Okay, so this course is basically suitable for investment banking professionals, portfolio managers, both wealth planners, advising institution, analysts and associate in the investment banking field, margin and acquisition advisory, finance and accounting professional, fundraisers, service provider, career changers, MBA graduates, undergraduates with related backgrounds. Okay, so now talking about like what all they are going to cover in this course, like on the curriculum part. So you'll be learning about essential career skills for the investment banking and finance, corporate finance, financial statement analysis, business valuation, corporate credit analysis, fundamental of the security industry, equities and IPOs, fixed income securities, derivative instruments, mutual funds, hedge funds and private equities, introduction of merger and acquisitions, advanced concept, merger and acquisitions, structuring the deal. Okay, so all of these topics will be covered. Okay, so let's see if they are covering anything related to the internship or related to the so they have not specifically mentioned about the internship in their program. So let's see if they are covering anything related to the placement. So they have not talked about it. Okay, so the fee for this course is going to be 35,000 plus taxes. Okay, so in this particular course, so they are not going to cover anything related to the internship and the placement part. Okay, so now I'm going to review this particular course based on the certain parameters which are listed on the left of the table. Okay, so if we talk about the cost that, so this is going to be good course. Excellent PPT skills that you're going to learn. Live sessions will be, so this is going to be a mixed kind of course, like you'll be provided with the access of some pre-recorded videos, and there are going to be some instructor-led sessions as well. So all in all, like you'll be spending about like 95 hours in total. Okay, so live doubt session, they have not specifically talked. Internship support will be missing, placement support will be missing. So course fee is good, course duration is good. Then money back guarantee, they have not talked about. LMS access you'll be getting for the 1 year's time. Okay, so based on these parameters, so this course has scored 6 out of 10. In case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of investment banking, so I can suggest a better investment banking course, which basically comes with a complete package, which covers all the aspects that you expect from any good investment banking course. Okay, so I'm going to share the link of that particular course in the description section. So please check that out and let me know in case there are any questions or in case you have any queries. So I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video, and thanks for watching.